This message is being transmitted by the local authorities. This is not a test. There have been reports of numerous deliveries being delivered at some houses. It appears that they receive some type of a VR headset. Once someone wears this VR headset, they cannot take it off. We do not know why, but we will try to investigate this situation. In the meantime, if you get a package of a VR headset, do not attempt to wear it and throw it away. Important information will follow. This message is being transmitted by the local authorities. We highly encourage you to listen as it contains important information. At around 7:45 p.m., there have been reports of people seeing a VR headset and it is spreading across the globe. Some victims apparently got curious to what the VR headset was and attempted to wear it. We have tried everything to find a situation for those stuck in this VR headset, but nothing seems to work out. If you or any family members you know has this VR headset on, we are sad to confirm that they are stuck in the VR headset forever. There is nothing you can do. For those who are still active, please do the following instructions. Lock all doors and windows and stay inside as we investigate who is sending these VR headset. Do not go outside as you will face 2 years in jail time. Stay inside and do not go out. Warning. Warning. This is not a test. A national crisis is happening. Please stand by. Please.
Warnings have been lifted. You may now come out.